Okay, Mom. So we finished the majority of therapy.
Right.
And what was the reason that you started therapy with us?
We started because Jade was having a hard time doing lots of copy work and reading fluently. She could read individualized words, but following them on a page or tracking them, she would be totally exhausted after one page.
So her stamina was short.
Absolutely, yes.
Was there anything else in there? And you're her teacher, so you would know.
Yeah, she just was frustrated a lot, but she always pushed through and powered through, but I just felt bad that she had to work so hard.
Yeah. At this point, how are things shaping up for you?
So much better. So her copy work to do a final draft from a rough draft takes no time. Before, it took her just as long to write the final draft as it did the first draft, and we never understood why. So
yeah.
Her handwriting is amazing. So before it was like squiggly, now it's beautiful.
And did she ever go without her glasses?
She went for a little bit. I think there's prisms in her glasses now that really help.
Yeah.
Before her prescription was also way over the board.
Yeah.
1 year it would be one thing.
Yes.
Next year it's so,
that's stabilized.
Yes. So that's
yeah. Well, that's good.
She's had that, and she just said she was still 20/20 with those, and every time we would take her back, it would change significantly. So
you mentioned to me that it's hard that you didn't hear about this or you were unaware of this service until a friend told you.
Yes, just one lady at our portfolio review told us about it, that they knew somebody that did it and had phenomenal results, and now we're like a walking billboard for you guys.
Oh yeah, cool. So I
just do eye therapy. It's so much worth it, and I just would feel bad if she just worked that hard her whole life.
Yeah, I mean, I
work through it.
Yeah, well, she has always seemed to me to have a really good attitude. But what's nice is that when she gets done with homework, she won't be like a grizzly bear, because this really is hard on your nerves when you're working so hard.
Right.
And kids have these issues. So, well, good. So we're going to do a home unit now, a take-home unit, and I'll be seeing her back in a few months down the road. So what would you tell parents that are contemplating this?
I would definitely tell them to just check it out. I mean, you do the free screening, so why not just see if this is what it's at, and then you guys are willing to set up. I mean, 9 months seems like forever, but it's like anything. We're done already. I mean, we're done already, and are you glad you did it? Yeah, she's glad she did it, because it was just such a struggle before.
Well, what's special about Jade is she's just a hard worker. She's a very hard worker, and also she gets along very well with our therapist, which is with people in general, but with our therapist especially. So that really helps with improvement and compliance when you work well together. So
good job, Jade.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.